Umengameli uRamaphosa utuse umsebenzi osuwenziwe ukukhuculula idolobha laseGoli. Uthi lo msebenzi wokuhlanza idolobha uzoqhubeka nangemumva komhlangano we-G20 ozobanjwa ey'nsukwini eziyisishiyagalombili ezizayo.
The beauty about it is that we've mobilized the private sector, we've mobilized the province, we've also mobilized a number of non-governmental organizations. And working under the rubric of the Presidential Working Group, a great deal of work is now happening to restore Johannesburg to its former glory.
Umengameli uphikise labo abathi ukuhlanzwa kwedolobha kwenziwa ngoba nakho kuza umhlangano we-G20.
When cities around the world hold summits and big conferences, they revamp themselves, they spruce themselves up like we all do when we receive visitors in our homes.
Umengameli uqinisekise ukuthi umengameli waseChina uXi Jinping noDonald Trump angeke bawuthamela umhlangano we-G20.
Heads of state have confirmed that they are coming. We are going to have easily more than 40 heads of state and government, and easily right up to 64 heads of organizations as well coming. So it's going to be quite a substantial G20, and of course, one or two heads of state have said that they are not able to come.
Abashayeli beyimoto eGoli bangalindela ukuvalwa kwemigwaqo eminingi eyakhele leli dolobha ngisho nasenkabeni yalo. Lokhu kwenzelwa ke uqinisa ezokuphepha kwezithunywa zomhlangano we-G20.
The major routes, of course, that will be affected, it's national and regional routes and arterial and urban routes as well. With the national and regional routes, it's the N1, it's the M1 and the N12. And with the urban routes affecting areas in Sandton, in Melrose Arc, in Rosebank, Westcliff and Parkview, in Fourways, in Roodepoort and in Nasrec. And these operations will be taking place between 9 in the morning and 1 in the afternoon.
Kusenjalo bangu 153 ababaleki base-Palestine abatheleke ngendiza kuleli e-OR Tambo ebusuku izolo. Laba kubikwa ukuthi babalekela ukuhlaselwa yi-Israel eGaza. Umengameli uRamaphosa uthi ababaleki abangu-130 banikwe imvume yesikhashana yokubhaca kuleli kanti emva kokuhlelwa kahle kwabo uhulumeni uzowenza isimemezelo ngabo.
The Border Management Authority was fully seized with this matter, and they were in full control of the situation, and I'm not concerned that there will be loopholes and holes left for anybody to come through.
Akucaci namanje ukuthi lendiza ingene kanjani eNingizimu Afrika.